Welcome once again to Engineer Math Academy. In our previous lesson, I introduced you in indices. So today, we are going straight to the first law of indices, the multiplication rule. So let's not waste time. Let's go straight to today's lesson. What is 2 to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 3? There are two ways to do this. The first method is by expansion. So let's do that. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 times 2. 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power of 3. This will be 2 raised to the power 2. 2 times 2 times 2 raised to the power 3. 2 times 2 times 2. So what do we have? We clear the brackets, or we remove the brackets. If we do that, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So what do we have here? 2 multiplied itself. How many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This becomes 2 raised to the power of 5. But the multiplication rule is telling us that there's a simple, shorter and better way to do this. Let's try that out. The law states that a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n is equals to a raised to the power m plus n. What does this mean? It means that when two numbers with the same base are multiplying themselves, all we need to do is to add their powers, m plus n. Let's apply this law to the previous problem. That is 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power 3. So this is a multiplication problem. Can we apply the multiplication rule? Only if the base numbers are the same. And as we can see, the base numbers are the same, 2, 2. So we retain the base number and we add their powers, 2 plus 3. This will give us 2 raised to the power of 5. Just the same answer we got when we used the expansion rule. Now tell me, which method is simpler, shorter and easier? The expansion rule or the first law of indices? Let's see another number. Obviously, this is a multiplication problem and the base numbers are the same. So what do we need to do? We retain the base number 5 and we add the powers 3 plus 7. This will give us 5 to the power of 10. Let's take one more. 3 raised to the power 2 times 3 raised to the power 6. Another multiplication problem. Can we apply the first rule? Yes. Why? Because the base numbers are the same. So what do? We simply add the powers. So we say the base number 3, 2 plus 6, and that will give us 3 raised to the power of 8. Okay, one more before we call it a wrap. X raised to the power 5 times x raised to the power 7. Another multiplication problem. X to the power of 5 multiplying x to the power of 7. Can we apply the multiplication rule? Yes, because the base numbers are the same. When the base numbers are the same, we simply add their powers. So this will give us x to the power of 12. Now, common mistake to watch out for. Let's look at this. Now, this is a multiplication problem. So can we apply the multiplication rule? No. Why? Because the base numbers are not the same. Phase numbers are not the same, don't add the powers. And that is that. The first law of indices done and dusted. If you gain from this lesson, please like and share the video so that other students will see it and also benefit from it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so that you don't miss our next lesson, where we are going to look into the second law of indices, division rule. I am Engineer Max. I will see you in the next class.